Hello.
Hello.
We are at the airport today.
We are at Terminal 1 and then first we are taking Air China to Beijing. But as I'm flying alone without Sean but with my other friends. So now heading to check-in first.
Yes, another time where I'm going to send him off and I'm not flying.
Well, he will flying with me next week. So the next flight video will be finally Sean will fly with me too to somewhere near.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go and check it.
What flight is it? You're on Air China, is it? Air China is not Star Alliance, this is first and business class.
Star Alliance.
Are you?
You see this logo?
Oh yeah. Okay. Alright, take care of your flight. Now we don't monitor your flight.
Finally, it's boarding time. Let's go. So today my seat will be at the 13L. Hello. 13L.
13排 L 直走右转。
Sorry.
准备上课了，大家课就各位吧。
13L. So that will be my seat over here. Then I'll be in the window seat. And let's check out this seat. And you will have the power plug, and then you have the space is like this. The slipper and the amenity bag is ready for you. So now let me put down my bag and I will do a more introduction for you. Right over here you have a very fluffy pillow, and then the seat control will be just right over here. It's okay, I'll take it later. 等下才拿. The leg room space is just quite spacious, and I can't really touch the tips. It's a little bit narrow over here, but I believe that it should be fine for me. You can see the USB port is just right over here. I think the L seat legroom space is bigger than the window seat. Can you see the difference, right? After the cabin crew unseal the slipper for us, and then immediately then they will give a welcome drink. The crew just passed me the little snack. There's two options, if you can see right over here. The first is the almond and chickpea, and the second pack will be the raisin and the cranberry. So it's quite interesting that to give two options for you. The cabin crew also passed me the bottle of the mineral water is from Tibet, and this is the brand that I like very much when I visit Tibet last year December. Oh, it's about 1 year ago. And the mineral water is very smooth. It's very easy to drink. You feel completely different when you drink the water. The pillow from the seat is very thick, if you can see right over here. I kind of like this material. For the seat, you can adjust the headrest, the tray table. The tray table you just lift up on the side, and then you can adjust front and backward. And it's a bifold tray table. And also one thing that I think everyone loves to see, which is the amenity bags. So the brand from the amenity bags is L'Occitane. Let's see what do they have inside the amenity bag. So we have a security seal right over here. Let me pull it out. Let me see. Okay. Ooh. You will get the lip balm, you drop out first, and then you have the lotions. Let me smell. What is this? It's avocado lotion. I don't like the smell. And a card from L'Occitane to tell you about the product. Oh, shea butter. Okay. And then you get the earplug. Oh, it's very cute. I like the way they keep the earplug. It looks very good quality. Okay. And then you get the wet tissue, toothpaste and toothbrush, the comb. The design is a little bit special. Oh, what is? It's very nice quality. It's perfectly for long hair. I like it now. And the last thing you get is the eye mask. Silky material. It can cover almost 90% of the light. And then let me try the lip balm. It's a little bit difficult to take out the seal. Okay. It's just a very small portion. Not bad. Let me check the toothbrush. Quality is very good. It's perfectly can hold it and to brush your teeth. And now let's go for the flatbed. So right over here you have a button, one click button for the flatbed. By a long press. Let me take out the pillow. Oh, it's very comfortable. I don't feel like to move now.
I like the blanket. The blanket is very big package. So let me try the material. Oh, it's a very thick blanket. Oh, thank you very much. Give me 3 seconds. Okay, approve the blanket. Very good quality blanket. I think I have a very good sleep right over here with the blanket, with a good pillow, and the seat is very comfortable. Food tasting time. Before I do the video, the crew actually hand over me a glass of champagne. Very nice. So I will go with the almond and the chickpea first. Oh, it will look like this. I'm not sure you can see it clear. Smell very nice. Not suitable for a night flight, but if you have a cold beer, I think it would be perfect to pair with the cold beer. Now it's like cranberry and the raisin. It looks like this. I like the cranberry. It's very nice. The raisin is just a normal raisin. So I prefer the cranberry. Let me put it back. If you lower down the seat position, then actually you can have the reading light right over here. I don't really like the design because when you need to use the reading lights, you have to lower down your seat, and then you get this adjustable brightness, and then oh, it's very bright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, the fifth is off the light. And the same thing with the long press, you will get the seat adjustment. But the design is a little bit weird, right? You have to turn yourself over here to press. The next one I will go is the washroom. Now I'm going to try the China white wine. It's called the Great Wall Riesling. It tastes more like a Sauvignon Blanc to me instead of the Riesling. So let's try the dry red wine. I'm not a red wine person, but I'm gonna try it. I like the red wine. It's very nice. Okay, now it's going to have a very bad turbulence. So I'm going to stop recording and then finish the wine. I'll brush my teeth and then I'll go to sleep and then go for breakfast. What I ordered is the fish. Ta-da! So now let me try see how it's tastes like. Okay. Okay, only not really delicious, but it's just like what you can get from the hawker center in Singapore. Okay, now let me enjoy my breakfast. Okay.
Bye. Thank you for chocolate.
Thank you.
Bye. 见。
Hey, finally landed to Beijing. It's been 2 years I never visited a winter place, and then the flight was quite okay.
Excuse me. That's yours?
Looks like that, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Running out without the winter wear to give the phone case to the passengers, so that it was quite comfortable, right? And I can sleep for very good, and then it was like suddenly come out to wake up to get breakfast, and then what else? I have to say that just the food is not really appetized at what I like, but the seat is really comfortable. So now let me go to get the luggage, and then I will head to the airport. I'll head to the Forbidden City.